Hey there, welcome back. This is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. If you are on YouTube, you can go directly to my website, windowpurchase.com, where all my videos are located in one convenient location. Anyway, let's get into it. This video is going to be relatively short. It's kind of just food for thought. I'm consistently asked when people call me for consulting. Yes, I offer consulting services off my website. Should we go with a swinging door or a sliding patio door? And this is usually a topic of discussion in like somebody's backyards or maybe off the side of the house, not for the front entry door. So, well, there's pros and cons. Besides price, you can cover a wider span with a properly made sliding patio door with fewer panels than you can with a swinging door. So if view is important and you want less frame and more glass space, you can typically pull that off better with a properly made sliding patio door, fewer panels. The other thing is, when you get a sliding patio door, usually comes with a sliding screen. So now you don't have the additional purchase of having to buy a storm door. Because if you have an entry door system or a French door system that has a double swinging door, those typically don't come with screens. So now if you want to be able to vent without getting bugs in, you have to purchase maybe 2 storm doors, which can be a pretty good added expense. The other thing is, entry doors typically, they're either locked or unlocked. There's no vented position where it's still secure, which means it's either open or closed. On most sliding patio doors, they can come with a foot lock that allows you to, when the door is completely shut, you push the foot lock down and you don't have to lay the stick down in the track because the foot lock is your security feature there. But you can pop that up and move the door over about 4 or 5, maybe 6 inches and push it down into a secondary hole. And now you can get about this much ventilation and somebody can't just push the door open because you have that secondary locking position. And that's another convenience. If they are custom height, like your 8-foot tall doors, whether it swings or slides, typically that's going to come with a 3-point or triple point lock. And it just depends on your glass options depending on the company. Quality companies offer better glass options. Now, some door panels for sliding can get so big that you could still get the view and get pretty good energy efficiency, but you may not be able to do triple pane glass, and you definitely may not be able to do internal blinds. Now, I'm not a big fan of internal blinds. If you watch my video on that specific subject, you'll find out why, but are they a nifty feature? Yeah, they're a nifty feature. So again, watch that video on internal blinds if that's something that interests you, but when you go with those extra wide panels, typically they are not available. A lot of times they are also not available on anything over 80 inches high. So you might have a regular size panel this way, but if it's 8 feet tall this way, most companies are not going to offer internal blinds. And depending on the manufacturer, you may have different type of hardware selections, even though most of that stuff can come in similar colors: black, bronze, beige, white, brushed nickel, satin nickel, black nickel. That's a cool looking handle. Bright brass and antique brass has kind of had its day, but most companies still offer it because some people still like it. If you're doing a door system that swings and it is 8 feet tall, it's going to have 4 hinges on it. Some door companies on a standard height door that's 80 inches will still put 4 hinges on it. The door swings easier and it less likely to gravitate away from the jam system over time. It's better support structure. Anyway, those are some of your differences. Properly made, both swinging and sliding can offer you extreme energy efficiency if the framing system is made right, if it's engineered right, if it's installed right, and if it has the proper glass option in it. So just be aware of that. Don't assume that one type of system is more energy efficient than another type of system. That's why a lot of my videos are on the different types of ratings that you need to be getting. Anyway, that's it for now. My name is Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. If you found my videos useful, educational, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Helps keep the website going. Bye-bye.